Hey guys, welcome back to another Outdoors Therapy. Got me an interesting location. It's Church plus City Hall. Right behind me is the City Hall, and right in front of me is the church, San Fernando's Church, downtown San Antonio. And we'll get going on this quick walk and show you how beautiful it is. All right, stand by. All right, we'll do City Hall first. Check that out. Two eagles on the top. Yeah. And of course, main doors. There's also plenty of signage going on. Don't worry, guys. I'll get you all the highlights. You know my thing. I don't go in, just look through the windows. So they're doing a lot of new construction down here. As you can see, that apartment building right there. Charging stations. Alright. Guess those are government Teslas. Oh, just for reference, guys, it is November 9th. It's not too cool today. It's like 70 something. 73, 74. It's a nice cooler day. We got to get into the weird weather here in San Antonio. Moses, Austin. Okay. Interesting. They interred 3 of Texas heroes in the church next door that we're going to. So I'll get to that in just a moment. Okay. Entrance to the Spanish Governor's Palace. That white building over there. Right? And then the back side of City Hall entrance. Let's see the sign right quick. Go through the city, yeah. Still growing. Still growing. Hey, what's... I guess you can walk down through. And then on the corner of Dolorosa, that's part of UTSA. As you can see, zoom in for you. UTSA. Okay. Here's the side. Wonder what that walkthrough is about. Let's get to the main event. There's the courthouse, the red brick courthouse. And yes, sir, your boy is jaywalking like a mofo. Oh, Jay running. Get your butt across the street. Alright, check it out. And of course, I don't know how original this portion of the church is, but it is mighty pretty. God. And you got this new section they added on. It's like a cafeteria area. And then there's a top, of course. Well, look at that. Here around 1700. But yeah, check out the stained glass windows. I went in earlier to go acquire some holy water, and it was pretty cool. Uh-oh.
Pero más que eso, celebra el pueblo y los participantes de la iglesia que somos cada uno de nosotros. Today, the church throughout the world celebrates the Basilica of St. John Lateran in Rome. But it's much more than just a celebration of that beautiful basilica. It is a celebration of the people that make up the church. The Basilica of St. John Lateran is the church of all churches. It is the church that is the house where the cathedra is for the Bishop of Rome, which happens to be.
I had to get out of here because I didn't want to interrupt services. All right, but that's one of the churches. Let's see what else we got. I got me some hollow wire too on my head. Okay. Once again, just like I said, courthouse is right across the way. Hope I'm not being too disrespectful, but recording. I don't think anybody has a problem with recording church services. So. Okay. All right, guys. That'll be it for this little short one. Out and about downtown, having a good time, trying to. I guess I caught the late church service, but we'll try and get out a little bit earlier to catch more things. Keep it interesting, guys. I'm trying not to bring you too much tourist stuff. I don't know if that's what you guys like. Nobody comments. So when you guys start commenting, I'll start sending some different stuff around town. And you guys make sure you guys get outside wherever the hell you're at and get some outdoor therapy. Catch you later, guys. Bye.